today about building your bank account. Get this, you can do this without leaving the comfort of your home and barely lifting a finger. By the way, my name is Sai and I own an online boutique. The title of my boutique is called She Has to Be Chic Boutique. I'll leave the link to my website in the description box in case you want to look at my website. I sell jewelry and accessories that are trendy for the girl on the go. But anyways, this is episode number 1 in a 5-minute series. The title of the series is called 5 Minutes Saving and Investing. This is episode 1, and the title of this episode is called Rakuten and how you can save money with it. Let's talk about how you can make money by using your inner circle of friends by using referral links. Let's discuss a really great site/app called Rakuten. Okay, this is what Rakuten looks like on a computer screen. This company used to be called Ebates. Some of you guys might be familiar with it. When you shop online for everyday items, like let's say an Amazon, a Target, a Home Depot, Kohl's, or even Kate Spade, my favorite, you get rebates. Sometimes cents, and then other times you even get dollars back. After about 2 to 3 months, they cut you a check in the mail. In this episode, I will walk you through the very steps that you need to take in order to set up your very own Rakuten account. As you see here, this is a picture of what my referral link looks like. I've also attached the link to my referral code in the description box. That way you can click on it as I go through the steps. As you see, it says the person with the referral link gets $25 when someone signs up and makes a qualifying purchase. You will get $10 for signing up through my link and making one qualifying purchase online. Next, after you sign up, send your referral link out to all of your family and your friends and anybody that's in your inner circle. That way you can get $25 for each person who signs up and makes one qualifying purchase. How it works. 1. Share your invite link with friends. 2. Remind them to sign up and shop on Rakuten. 3. You both get paid when they spend $25. Step 1. Search. Now that you have signed up and signed in, go to the search bar and search for whatever store you're interested in buying items in. As you can see on the screen, I have chosen Sephora. Make sure that whatever store that you choose is a store that is offering cash back. Step 2. Click the Shop Now button. Click the red button on the screen and it will take you to the next step. Step 3. Make sure you see this page. Once you see this page, click the red Got It button. Step 4. Shop to earn rebates. Shop on the company site for your items. Make sure to have at least $25 in your basket before you purchase anything in order to have a qualifying purchase. Make sure you see the Rakuten name in the top left-hand corner. That verifies that you are going through the process correctly. It is very important to make sure that you see Rakuten. If you do not, then your purchase is not going to go through and you're not going to get points. So make sure you see it on the top left-hand corner. Way to go, you did it. You made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching my video. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe, and drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment. I welcome feedback. Bye-bye.